time, we are here to discuss another pressing issue that concerns not only the previous administration, but the future of our nation. Gusto ko pong lumabas na ang katotohanan para makafocus na po tayo sa pagserbisyo po sa ating mga kababayan. Lalo na ngayon, marami pong nasalanta na nangangailangan po ng tulong at ang daming naghihirap. With this, let me emphasize that everything I will say here will be on my oath as a senator. To be clear, my presence here is not only as a member of this committee but also as a resource person kung kinakailangan para maliwanagan tayong lahat. Andito tayo para malaman ang totoo, nais nating lumabas ang katotohanan. After all, there is only one truth and it can stand for itself and there is no need to defend it. Mr. Chair, I trust that the truth will be thoroughly and fairly brought out by this committee, fittingly presided